Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome friends to our channel Puzzle Solver. Today we get you an interesting puzzle and the name of the puzzle is the card puzzle. In a card deck, we have four types of suits, that is club, heart, spade and diamond. In all these equations, we have to find the value of all these suits and then in the end, we have to find the value of the joker. So guys, let's start. So before jumping to the final solution, let's start a timer and pause for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle together. And friends, don't forget to put your answer in the comment section. So our timer starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answer. Let's jump to the solution and solve the first equation. So here we get the fourth equation as our first equation to solve. You can see we have in the fourth equation one heart and that's value is equal to 3 clubs. We'll use this value in our further equations. Let's jump to our second equation. In this equation you can see one spade, one club and one heart. And we know the heart value is 3 clubs. So we put that value here in the equation and we get the value of spade here in the terms of club. So that is 12 minus 4 club. Jumping on to our third equation, we have a spade, a heart and their total value is equal to 6 plus 2 clubs. We know the value of a heart that is equal to 3 clubs and we know the value of 2 clubs here as 2 clubs. Now putting the value of a spade that is equal to 12 minus 4 clubs plus 3 club, we get this 2 club to the left side so it becomes minus 2 club equal to 6. When we solve this value for a club, it will become 12 minus 6 divided by 3, that will be 6 divided by 3 and the final value for the club will be 2. Now putting club's value that is equal to 2 in the dependent equations. So first we will find the value of a heart that is equal to 3 clubs. One club value is 2. So final value of heart will be equal to 6. Now solving for the spade, this is equal to 12 minus 4 club. One club value is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. So 12 minus 8 will be equal to 4. Now solving our first equation, in the first equation you can see a spade, a heart, a club and 4 diamonds. We know all the suits value here. Spade is 4, heart is 6 and club is 2. So we put that value here. So 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 4, that is equal to 12. And for a diamond's value we have to divide it by 4. So final value for a diamond is equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we got all the values of the suits, that is club is 2, spade is 4, heart is 6 and diamond is 3. Now we jump to our final equation. We put all the values of the suits here in the final equation. We get the value as 4 plus, here are 2 clubs, so 2 plus 2 that is equal to 4 and we have to multiply it by 6 because heart value is 6, and subtract with 2 diamonds, that is equal to 3 plus 3. So solving brackets first according to the BODMAS rule, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now solving the multiplication part, this will give the value as 6 into 4 is 24. Adding these two will give the value as 28. 28 minus 6 will give the value is 22. So 2 joker value is 22. Let's find out the single joker value. So the single joker value will be 22 divided by 2, that is equal to 11. And this puzzle is also solved. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with your friends and family. You can also follow us on our Instagram page, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.